You must die for the sins that you have done. The Master didn't speak a word, he just wrote upon the ground. And when they heard the news that there was none to accuse, he was the talk of the town. Scribes and the Pharisees were the women to be stoned. Now Moses' law said, you must die for the sins that you have done. The Master didn't speak a word, he just wrote upon the ground. And when they heard the news that there was none to accuse, he was the talk of the town.